Hey guys, welcome back to Trading with Jen. This week, there's actually something major happening that I wanted to bring up to your attention. Now, this is more fundamentally based. I know usually I go over technicals, psychology. I do go over little pep talks that has to do with trading. But this week, okay, there's an official launch going on that has to do with fundamentals. And I feel like every trader should know at this point. But let's go ahead and dive into it. What is Market Edge AI, guys? This is like the holy grail of when it comes to fundamentals. This is like Wall Street with all the terminals and news that they pay for in order to get real-time live feeds on what's going on the back ends when it comes to these stocks. Now, as you can see here, you'll see high impact folders such as red folders, but this is just kind of like all compressed in one. It'll tell you when the market is bullish, bearish, or whatnot. If you're a swing trader, this is great. You'll actually see here, it'll say slightly bullish or day trading. If you're a day trader, you'll actually be able to see the bias of this. Now, what I really like about that is that this is something that every trader can capitalize on, right? There's no more second guessing. What is the news going to do? How is it going to affect? Market Edge AI breaks everything down. And honestly, I wish I had this in the beginning when I first started because that would have saved me so much more money, right? Needless to say, now that it is here, I am here to tell you guys all about it because this is something that I use on a day-to-day basis in order to do a market breakdown. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and log in here. All right, guys, we are officially in here. When I first started off here, actually, I was very much heavy into what was going on with gold. So gold was one of my major pairs that I really wanted to keep an eye on. I really wanted to kind of get a down packed on, of everything that's going in here. Now, as you can see here, this is actually the main page of when you guys first log in. You'll have all the news feeds right here. Okay, right over here, guys. Everything that has to do with your particular pair or whatnot, it's going to appear here. What I really like about this though is right here. You see how it says, so you can actually switch out time frames, right? Down to pretty much scalping. And when it does that, by the way, guys, all you gotta do is stretch out your numbers. I mean, the numbers right here on the side if you're totally new. Okay. But going back to the hour, as you can see here, it says swing trading, it is slightly bearish, but if you are day trading, it's pretty much more bullish than anything. Um, and then we have the little arrows here, just with target levels. Right here, targeting on gold 4120. And now you're probably wondering why would it target around there or how does it know, right? All you have to do is come over here. And it says here in the little purple stars, you just click on it, it says what can push price over here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on it and then boom. Look at this, guys. Okay, what can push gold to 4,120? It literally gives you the whole breakdown and probabilities of what can push it to this price. We also have levels actually right down here in the bottom as well, right? We have support resistances. We have what can push the price down to this level right over here. And then, of course, it gives you different scenarios based on how things are going to impact what's going to drive it up here and what is it going to drive it down here. Now, if we open up right over here on the side, there was a little arrow. We got news feeds. Okay, look at this news feed, guys. Breaking news, high impact, economic data, everything is literally segregated for you guys. Okay. We have market TV, basically keeping up with the news when things actually happen at that moment. We do have the economic calendar, and of course, you can actually filter it to the ones that you are trading, right? If you're trading Forex pairs, obviously it's not going to be all USD unless that particular pair you are trading is actually paired with the USD currency. Okay, we have backtest fundamentals. This is probably one of my favorite one, guys. Okay, you can literally hover over each and every single one of these candles. And let's say I just click on this one. It literally gives you a whole breakdown on what drove that particular candle all the way this high. Okay. It has a lot of cool features, guys. We have interest rate trackers. We have the COT reports. Okay, it really goes into details. So instead of like, like Bloomberg, you got to pay thousands and thousands of dollars in order to keep up with particular news. This is just a fraction, guys. Okay, so this is something that you guys can definitely capitalize on. Everything that you need to know as a fundamental, it's literally all compressed into one. But it doesn't stop right there, guys. Actually, they have a new cool feature that literally top everything. Instead of you having to come onto the website and having to log in or whatnot, you can actually attach Market AI to the TradingView platform, right? So what is TradingView? TradingView is a platform where everybody does market analysis, but let me show you, okay? So all you got to do is come to the Chrome web store, guys. Download the extension. It's gonna be called the Market AI, and you just add that extension. Once you have that extension, you can literally pull it up whenever you are mid trading or on your charts or whatnot, right? Boom, just like that, guys. It's literally a one-two step. Go to Chrome, Google Store, yep, Chrome, Google, type in Market AI and add it as an extension. And look at this, guys. And now it is up here. Manage your extension by clicking extensions, window, or whatnot. You guys just play around with it. Put whatever it is that you want strictly to your feed whenever you're in the middle of trading, and it'll pop up right here. There's no more going back and forth from one page to the next page or whatnot. It is literally going to pop up and drop down right here, guys. Isn't that so cool? I am honestly so excited for this. And I hope you guys are too, because this this is something that I would have wanted when I first started trading. It would have saved me so much more money, guys. So much more money. But yeah, that was the little thing that I wanted to show you guys this week. If you guys wanted to check this out a little bit more, I am going to drop the link for the Market Edge AI down in my description, guys, okay? So if you guys like it, please guys don't forget to like and obviously subscribe for weekly videos and more knowledge when it comes to, new traders or whatnot. I am here to help all beginners. And then of course, you're well seasoned as well. Why not? You might pick up a thing or two. All right. Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys next week.